Hey folks, Jim from Salvinos J R Models, and I got something in yesterday. Let me reach over back here. It's way behind me. Yeah, there we go. Hard move for a fat man. The new Indy 500 110th anniversary kit. So let's take a look and see what's inside this box. You can see it's new. I haven't even pulled off the cellophane. Let's see what's in there. So it is the 110th anniversary running of the Indy 500 this May. Wouldn't you know, we'd have a nice snug lid on here. What'd they do? Did they glue it on me? I tore the lid trying to get it off. It was so snug. So anyway, felt like it was glued on there. Anyway, there you go. So if you happen to have been wanting an all white or all black or whatever kit, this is all white. So if you don't do this livery, you can do it in something else and then paint it to your heart's content. But there's all the body parts in white. Okay, so this has both the smooth windshield for the modern cars and the ones with the ribs for the, what's that, about 4 years ago? They took out the rib down the center of the windshield. So we've got that on the aero screen. Round and squishies are round and nice and squishy. So here's and you know what? I'm going to open this because this is going to show what I haven't gotten to show you before, because this is the first kit that has both the Honda and the Chevy, and I'll describe to you how the mold is. So why is everything trying to hang up? Anyway, when these are produced, they're produced as one big sheet like that. And so when you get the Honda, you'll get, let's see, it would be these. When you get the Honda, yep, you'll get these. And this is recycled. You get the Chevy, that's what you get. And this gets recycled. So it's all shot as one. But in your case, you can decide, do you want to have a Honda or do you want to have a Chevy? So, and here's our black parts. Nothing to fall off. Get that out of here. So here's our underwing. And here's our seat and some other stuff. Now, if you plan on doing one of the Indy cars and you're going to use the Indy driver, you are not going to use this seat. You're going to use the seat that comes with the driver figure, because when they gave me the file on this, it was shallow like this, and the driver will not fit in there. So I had to do it so it works. So that's what we've got. But if you're just doing it for looks, this works fine, and those seat belts sit in there nice, and it looks great. So here we go with, man, this is a stack of decals. So here's our instruction book. It's almost like a phone book. Here's your decal placement sheet. Here is the placement list. So when you're going to do your carbon fibers, you just go by the list where certain ones go. And once you start doing it like this, left wing brace outside, it's pretty, and that's 85. Oh, you'll have to look at the carbon fiber to see. If you go by those and go by the numbers on the carbon fiber sheet, it's really pretty straightforward and fairly easy. Clay did a good job laying those out. So, speaking of which, there's the carbon fiber. I mean, when you look at these and you see these, you know those are going to be on. That's going to be the top of the right front. That's going to be the top of the right lower. Same thing here. And a lot of the stuff is pretty self-explanatory on the carbon fiber. And when you get confused, then just make sure you look at the sheet, and it'll tell you where they go. Okay. And then here's the decal sheet for the car itself. So those are nice and pretty, and they'll go on there. Like there's your halo, and there's your back wing, the tire deflectors on the side. So everything's laid out. And once again, Mr. Kemp, as I did a better job than I do, losing my stuff on the floor here. So there's the numbers, what decal goes where. So, yep, Clay did a nice job of laying everything out for you. So that's what's on the inside of this box. So there you go. There's the new Indy 500 110th running anniversary souvenir kit, if you want to call it that. Those are going to be available very soon at the Speedway itself. They are available now and shipping, I think, next week from the office. So you can pre-order from Salvinos J R Models.com. Just like that name down below. You can pre-order those, and they will be shipping next week. Or when you get to Indianapolis, hopefully they will have them in the store very soon. So yeah, check those out. Pick those up, and give you something to build, and give you a base if you're going to be using some other decals. So there you go. So thank you for building Salvinos J R Models. Take a look at our web store. We also have some other accessories for these. We've got a seated driver. We now have a winning driver, 3D printed, so he's standing up with his fists in the air. And we have, if you want to get the kit for the road course or some of the other ovals, it's got the road course 3D printed wings, just like the 3D printed drivers. Those are available separately, but they all fit on very nicely. So thanks for checking those out. Thanks for checking out Salvinos J R Models. And we'll be back with you soon, because I think I've got another stock car coming up pretty soon. And I definitely have a Helio Castro Neves kit to do. So thanks again.